So this is a synthesis of Fragrant Esters Part 2. I have my 4 test tubes here, numbered 4, 5, 6, and 7. First step is to add 4 drops of butyric acid into tubes 4, 5, and 6. So 4 drops. One, two, three, 4. One, two, three, 4. One, two, three, 4. Next step is to add 5 drops of methanol to test tube 4. So it's 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 drops of ethanol into test tube 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 drops of isopentyl alcohol into test tube 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two drops of sulfuric acid into test tubes 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Test tube 7 is going to be 0.2 grams of salicylic acid into the boat, which was pre-weighted to kind of cut back on time. And then I will transfer that amount into test tube 7. Okay. I'll add 2 drops of methanol to test tube 7 as well. 1, 2. Or I'm sorry, add 6 drops of methanol. So 2 drops so far. 3, 4, 5, 6. And I will add 2 drops of sulfuric acid into test tube 7 as well. 1, 2. Let's ask to mix the tubes. Okay, I have my Bunsen burner on, and I will place my half-filled 100 ml beaker with the halfway filled with distilled water now underneath the burner to bring to a boil. And as soon as it comes to a boil, I will place test tubes inside the beaker Just waiting for it to boil. I could already smell the difference in these test tubes as compared to part one, which were more of a fruitier smell to them. These test tubes have more of a sulfur smell to it. So it'll be interesting to see what the final smell is. If I ever get this water to boil. And I think it's getting there. Oh, so this is really taking longer than the first experiment, and I don't know why. Nope, I hear popping. Alright, we're coming to a boil.